Welcome student in Christchurch Convent Digital Classes, subject chemistry, class 12th. In this video we'll see about oxo acids of phosphorus. Phosphorus forms a number of oxo acids. The important oxo acids of phosphorus with their formulas, method of preparation and the presence of some characteristics bonds in their structure are given in table 7.5. As you can see, the table 7.5 oxo acids of phosphorus, name, formula, name, formula, everything is given. First one is hypophosphorus or phosphinic H3PO2. Oxidation state of phosphorus is +1. Precipitation, white phosphorus with alkali. Orthophosphorus, phosphonic H3PO3. Oxidation state is +3. Pyrophosphorus H4P2O5. Hypophosphoric H4P2O6 +4. Orthophosphoric H3PO4 +5. Pyrophosphoric H4P2O7 +5. So these are the oxy acids of phosphorus along with their formula, their oxidation state, characteristics of bond and their number is also given, and their preparation, how they are prepared. Hypophosphoric H4P2O6, orthophosphoric H3PO4 +5. Pyrophosphoric H4P2O7 +5 and metaphosphoric HPO3 n times. Phosphorus acid plus Br2 heat in a sealed tube. The structures are also given here. The composition of the oxy acids are interrelated in terms of loss H2O molecules and or oxygen atom. The structure of some important oxy acids are given below. You can see in the diagram. Orthophosphoric acid, H3PO4, pyrophosphoric acid, orthophosphorus acid, hypophosphorus acid, cyclotrimethaphosphoric acid, and polymetaphosphoric acid. So generally in the examination their name and formula are asked and their properties. Now we'll see about oxygen group 16 element. उससे tipo oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium constitute group 16 of the periodic table. This is sometimes known as group of chalcogens. The name is derived from the Greek word for brass and point to association of sulfur and its congeners with copper. Most copper mineral contain either oxygen or sulfur and frequently to the other member of the group. So that's why they are called chalcogens. Remember this word chalcogen. It is asked in examination. Chalcogen. What is chalcogens? So group 16 element are called chalcogens. Occurrence. Oxygen is the most abundant of all the elements on Earth. It forms about 46.6% by the mass of Earth crust. Dry air contains 20.946% by volume. Abundance of sulfur in the Earth crust is only 0.03 to 0.1. Combined sulfur exists primarily as sulfates such as gypsum, Epsom salt, barite, BaSO4, sulfides, and galena PbS, zinc blend ZnS, copper pyrite. Traces of sulfur occur as hydrogen sulfide in volcanoes. Organic materials such as eggs, proteins, garlic, onion, mustard, hair, and wool also contain sulfur. Next, selenium and tellurium are also found in metals as metals halides and tellurides in sulfide ores. Polonium occurs in nature as a decay product of thorium and uranium mineral, which are radioactive in nature. The electronic configuration. The element of group 16 have 6 electrons in the outermost cell and have Ns2np4 general electronic configuration. Atomic and ionic radii. Atomic and ionic radii. Due to increase in the number of cells, atomic and ionic radii increases from top to bottom in the group. The size of oxygen atom is, however, exceptionally small. Next is ionization enthalpy, means energy required to remove one electron. Ionization enthalpy decreases down the group if we move from upward to downward. It is due to increase in the size of the group 16 element. Now, electron gain enthalpy. Because of the compact nature of oxygen atom, it has less negative electron gain enthalpy than sulfur. Electronegativity. Next to fluorine, the oxygen has the highest electronegativity value amongst the element within the groups. Electronegativity decreases with an increase in atomic number. This implies that the metallic character increases from oxygen to polonium. Now, physical properties. Physical properties. Some of the physical properties of the group element 16 are given in table 7.6. Oxygen and sulfur are non-metals, selenium and tellurium metalloids, whereas polonium is a metal. Polonium is a radioactive and it is short-lived, have a half-life of 13.8 days. Oxygen exists as O2 molecule, and whereas the sulfur exists as acid molecule, polyatomic molecule is sulfur. Now, chemical properties. Oxidation state and trends in chemical reactivity. The elements of group 16 exhibit a number of oxidation state. The stability of -2 oxidation state decreases down the group. Polonium shows -2 oxidation state. Since the electronegativity of oxygen is very high, it shows only negative oxidation state as -2. Except in the case of OF2, where its oxidation state is +2 and other elements of the group exhibit +2, +4 and +6 oxidation state. So you can see in table 7.6 some physical properties of the group 16 element: atomic number, ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर, सेलेनियम, टेलेरियम एंड पोलोनियम, उससे टीपो 8 है, 16 है, 34 है, 52 है, 84 है। मास नंबर दिया हुआ है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन दिया हुआ, कंडेंस्ड फॉर्म वाला, हीलियम मतलब 2, नियॉन मतलब 10, ऑर्गन 18, क्रिप्टॉन 36, जिनॉन 54, कोवेलेंट रेडियस, आयनिक रेडियस, इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी, ionization enthalpy, electronegativity, density, melting point, boiling point, all are given. Now anomalous behavior of oxygen. ऑक्सीजन का व्यवहार सबसे अलग क्यों होता है इस ग्रुप में? We'll see. So the anomalous behavior of oxygen, like other members of P block present in the second period, is due to its small size, high electronegativity. One typical example effect of small size and high electronegativity in the presence of strong hydrogen bonding in H2O, which is found in water molecule but not found in H2S. Another property is the absence of d orbital in oxygen limits its covalency to 4 and in practice rarely exceeds 2. On the other hand, in case of other elements of the group, the valency cell can be expanded and the covalence exceeds 4. Now reactivity with hydrogen of group 16 element. Reactivity with our hydrogen. All the elements of group 16 form hydrides of the type H2E, where E is the element of group 16. It can be either oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium or polonium. Some properties of hydrides are given in table 7.c. The acidic character increases from H2O to H2T. The increase in the acidic character can be explained in terms of decrease in bond enthalpy for the dissociation of hydrogen and group 16 element bond down the group. Thermal stability of hydrides also decreases from H2O to H2O All the hydrides except water having reducing properties. This character increases from H2S to H2T. Tellurium, hydride tellurium. So you can see in the table 7.7 properties of hydrides of group 16 element. Melting point in degree Kelvin, boiling point is also given in degree Kelvin. Water का melting point 273 Kelvin, H2S का 188. So initially it decreases, then again it increases. Same thing happen with boiling point. Initially it decreases, then it increases. Bond angle is also given in water molecule. There is 104 in H2S 92, 91 and 90. Now reactivity with oxygen, reactivity with halogens are also given. All these elements form oxide with of the EO2 and EO3 types. Ozone O3 and the sulfur dioxide SO2 are gases, while selenium dioxide is solid. Reducing property of dioxide decreases from SO2 to TO2. SO2 is a reducing while TO2 is an oxidizing agent. Also form EO3 type oxides SO3, SeO3 and TO3. Reactivity towards the halogens element of the group 16 form a large number of halides of the type EX6, EX4 and EX2, where E is an element of group 16 and X is a halogen. The stability of the halides decreases in order of F minus, Cl minus, Br minus and I minus. Amongst hexahalides, hexafluorides are the only stable halides. All hexafluorides are gaseous in nature. They have octahedral structure. Sulfur hexafluoride SF6 is exceptionally stable for steric reasons. Amongst tetrafluorides, SF4 is a gas, SeF4 is a liquid, and TeF4 is a solid. All these fluorides have sp3 hybridization and have trigonal bipyramidal structure in which one of the equatorial position is as occupied by the lone pair of electron. This is geometrically also regarded as seesaw geometry. All elements except oxygen form dichlorides and dibromides. These dihalides are formed by sp3 hybridization and thus they have tetrahedral structure. The well-known monohalides are dimeric in nature. For example, S2F2, S2Cl2, S2Br2, SeCl2 and SeBr2. These dimeric halides undergo disproportion as given below. In the next video, we'll see about dioxygen. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.